Good morning, dear students. In the previous classes, we studied about the calculation of amount of subscriptions. Today, we are going to teach you how to find out the amount of consumable item. Before going to the topic, first I want to give you the detail about how to find out the cost of goods consumed during the year. We have a simple formula of this: opening stock plus purchase minus closing stock. Opening stock, whatever the remaining from the previous year, plus purchase, whatever we purchased during the current year, and how much stock are left after all transactions. So, on the basis of this opening stock plus purchase plus closing stock, we find out cost of good consumed during the year. So, uh, I write a question on the basis of this formulas, and at the last, we can calculate how much of amount of the consumable item you have given in the questions. Now I am reading this question. Calculate the amount of medicine to be debited to the income and expenditure account of Good Health Hospital for the year ended 31st March 2019. We have following information given: that stock of medicines amount is 1,75,750, and at the end of the year 1,44,650. Creditor for medicine 15 lakh 6,900, and on 31st March 2019 18 lakh 20,700. Medicines purchased during the year 31st March 2019 were 60,000 60 lakh 80,700. So now we do the solutions of these questions, and at last we found that what is the amount of consumable item. So we write here calculations for the amount of consumable item. For the year 31st March 19. Particular and amount. So what do we have in this question? Stock of medicine on when the beginning of the year. How much this stock we have? 1,75,750. So we add this. First of all, we have to write how much of the medicine we purchased during the year. So we write here medicine purchased during the year medicine purchase during the year. How much of rupees? 60,000, 60 lakh 80,000 700. Now we add this amount we purchased during the year. Now we have the opening stock in the beginning of year 1,75,750. So stock of medicine on 1st April 2018. How much of the amount? 1,75,750. Now, how much of the amount we have at the end of the year? We do less this amount because it is the closing stock. Closing stock of medicine. A stock of medicine at the end of the year. Stock of medicine when 31st March 2019. How much of the medicine? 1,44,650. Now come to the second point. Creditor for medicine. Creditor for medicine means this is the outstanding amount for the previous year. So we will less this amount because this amount is not belongs to the current year. So we will less this amount in the consumable items from the consumable items. So creditor for medicines. Creditor for medicine on 1st April your previous year. How much? 15 lakh and creditor for medicines on 31st March 2019 it is 18 lakh 20,700. This 18 lakh 20,700 belongs to the current year. So this amount is belongs to the current year. So we will add this amount credited for medicines. The sum of this amount is total calculations we have 450. The sum of this how much of the calculations? 0, 5, 7, 7, 14 calculation is 1, 5, 1, 6 calculation is 1, 7, 1, 8, 2, 1996 450. Okay. Then the calculation of this is 1651 550. Okay. And the sum of this is this the calculation is correct. The sum of this and this is I think the overall calculation is coming like this, and we deduct this amount from it will come 64 lakh 25,600. Let's see the calculations from the calculator, and on the basis of this we found that the total consumable item of medicines during the year consumption of items, the medicines during the year. So students, we on the basis of this we found out that the consumptions of product or medicines in these questions we find out during the year. So student, hope so you will understand, and you know how to find out the consumable item from the following given information. If you having any problems or any queries, you can ask me on my personal number and WhatsApp number.